Hello Stampers, my name is Linda Bedinger and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I want to do an unboxing of the paper pumpkin, and I normally don't do this. But this one is a little bit different in that it coordinates with a stamp set and a whole suite in the catalog. And so I want to show all the component pieces. So I just got my kit yesterday in the mail, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's got here that it coordinates with the Broadway bound suite from Stampin' Up! So the Broadway bound suite in the catalog is here on page 69 in the catalog, and it is this suite here. And in this suite is a stamp set, a die set, some specialty designer series paper, some metallic pearls, black satin ribbon, and some candle embellishments. And it gives on this side a bunch of things that you can do with it, but it coordinates with the rest of the material that's in this paper pumpkin. So I thought I would show all of the components that I have. I have everything but the dies, and for some reason I thought I was ordering the bundle and I just ordered the stamps, so I've got the dies coming to me. So this is what this kit is. Your Stampin' Spot this time is Lovely Lipstick. And in fact, I just opened this and I hadn't gotten any further than taking it out of the box. So we're going to open this together and take a look at it. So this is the stamp set. It's a very small stamp set. It says, "Congrats, so proud of you. We just wanted to say, it's your day, you did it." And then there's a layer cake here, and then a little 4 little stars up here. So let's see what else is in this kit. So I'm going to just go ahead and open this, and I see right on the top here some baker's twine in black and gold. Pretty baker's twine. Very pretty. Then your normal dimensionals. And then there is a little package of pearls here. Then there is these, oh, I see what they are. They're banners on a sticker. They're sticker banners of this green with a white dot pattern on it. And it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then I've got a sheet of die cut small rectangular strips. Then I've got some, it looks like adhesive back gold sequins. Then I've got some of these marquees, and these are die cuts, they're not stickers. So there's one that is outlined as though it had Broadway lights around the end, and then there's another one here that is plain black. So there's 2 plain black and 2 that are white and black. Then this page is stickers, and there are green. The colors that coordinate with this are Lemon Lime Twist and Lovely Lipstick and black. So I've got some Lovely Lipstick balloons and some Lemon Lime Twist balloons and a whole bunch of candles here. And these are all, yes, they're stickers. Okay. Then I've got some die cut. Yep, these are die cut. Are they also stickered? Yes. Die cut and stickered words. This one says, "Hooray." I guess they all do. So I've got 8 of those. Then I have some envelopes, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 8 white envelopes with this pattern in reverse of this color here. And then these must be my card bases. So let's see what we've got here. I've got it looks like I've got 4 card bases that have this green with the white. It's like a beaded string pattern here, and then I've got a black and white stripe pattern here. The insides are white. Then I've got a sheet here of, looks like cakes, and these are die-cut elements. Then I have more banners here. These are white banners that are also stickers, 4 of those, and 4 red panels here, or the lovely lipstick panels that are stickered, and then my glue dots. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is what the other pieces are that coordinate with this. This is the stamp set that coordinates with this from the catalog. It has that same hooray message, and it has it both in plain script here, and then it looks like you can put a dotted pattern over the top of it. That could be very interesting. The same thing with Wish. Then there's a balloon string. This could be a balloon, a couple of hats, a candle, a flame. This could also be an ice cream cone, because I see here a little, like a dollop of ice cream. Make a wish. It's your birthday. You deserve it. Let's celebrate. You're never too old to make a wish, is what I guess this is. And it looks like there are 17 stamps in this stamp set. And I wish I had the dies here to show you, but there's a die that cuts out this marquee shape. There's one that cuts out the word that says wish, the hat, the balloon, the candle, and so on. Okay, the other things on this page, so I'm going to do it this way. These are the colors that they suggest you use with this set. So I've got a couple of pieces here of the lemon lime twist, and a couple pieces of the black, and a couple of pieces. This is one of my favorites out of the new colors here. This is the lovely lipstick. And then this is the designer series paper, and it is gorgeous. It is foiled. All of the pages on one side are foiled, and the opposite side has a complementary pattern. So here's that same pattern with gray and white and the little beaded pieces. Then there is this piece, which is gold with white stars. Isn't that pretty? And a lemon lime twist back here. Then there are, oh, isn't that pretty? This is just foiled black, gray, and gold dots. Very pretty. And let's see the back side of this. I just opened this one up, so I haven't had a chance to look. It looks like these are cakes, and some of these cakes are the same shapes as the one in the die cuts in the kit. So on this side we have those dots. Then we have these beautiful black with gold polka dots, which are nice and big, and that one has these birthday hats on the back side of it in the same colors. Then this pretty stripe, very pretty, and clusters of balloons on a lemon lime twist back. Then we have candles in black and white and gray with the gold, and then the lovely lipstick with the stars on the back. So this is what we have. I'm just going to lay these out so you can see all of the various pieces of this. And when I put this kit together, I'll do some from the kit. You know, I always make alternatives anyway, but this gives me quite a bit to work with, seeing as how this coordinates with this specialty paper and these other things from the catalog. So we've got this paper, this pretty green stripe, these numbers, which are great fun, and then this gray stripe. So that is the designer series paper, and if I lay this down this way, you're going to get an idea of what we're working with. Then these are the colors that coordinate with it. Here is our stamp set. Here is the other stamp set. Here are the component pieces that come in the kit. Stickers in white and lovely lipstick and this lemon lime twist color here. Then we have these stickers. Then we have card bases in both the stripe and the green. And we have our envelopes, and we have our gold stickers, our balloon stickers, our marquee stickers. We have these sequins with backs. We have these pieces here, and we have these sheets like this. And then also that comes in this suite is some of this black, and it is, oh, it's very pretty, black satin ribbon that we have to work with. We have these, which are the metallic pearls that are also in this suite. These are gold and silver pearls here to work with this. And then we also had in the kit, way at the beginning, which is now buried under all of this, is a little package of white pearls. See, there was one other thing that went with this suite, and that was this piece. And this is a set of embellishments that are gold and silver little candles. And there's a gold one and a silver one, and it looks like they have adhesive backs, so it makes them very easy to attach to your project. So when I take a look at it, that plus the little page of white silver pearls, which I have now laid down and no idea where they are. But this is the entirety of what we have to play with for this month's Paper Pumpkin. And so there's just this enormous variety. Now, the other thing that I wanted to share with you is what they intended out of just the Paper Pumpkin kit. And that is this here. It is made to make 8 cards and of 2 different varieties, for each of 2 different varieties, using all of these elements that are in here. And I did hear that this picture is incorrect, that this sticker here is not here, it is this white sticker. And this is the correct thing that's supposed to be in here. And so then it shows on the inside all of the pieces that are supposed to be here, and then the full directions on the inside, plus, as always, your little ruler on the bottom here of how to put together the various projects that are in here. And so this is what we have. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun, particularly, oh, and then the twine, which I have here, and then the ink spot in the lovely lipstick. And so I think this is going to end up being just a lot of fun to play with using all of the elements. Now, you certainly can make up the kit just the way it shows here in the instructions and come away with some lovely projects that have the balloons and the hoorays and the cakes and happy birthdays and all of that kind of stuff. And so there's all kinds of pieces. There's the little pearls that I laid down a minute ago and now can't find. But this is a first. They've never connected the paper pumpkin to something that's in the catalog. So you can see how much more is available to you when you add the elements of a suite to go with this. There's just a whole bunch of stuff, and it looks to me like the possibilities are pretty much endless on this. I wanted to share this one with you just because it is a little different than most of the stuff that we get when we get Paper Pumpkin, in that it coordinates with this Broadway bound suite in the catalog. And again, that suite is listed in the catalog on page 69 in the catalog. And I've got everything here, the card colors, the designer series paper, the pearls, the black satin ribbon, the embellishments, and the stamp set. And the only thing I don't have here is the dies, and they're noted here on page 69 in your catalog. By the way, if you don't have a catalog from Stampin' Up! And you'd like to have one, please contact me. My information is always listed below in the below the video as well. But I wanted to do this one as an unboxing because when you look at it this way, this is quite a thing they've given us to play with this time. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. Or you could join my team. You can get this Broadway bound suite on my site, www.lbedinger.stampinup.net, and you can order any of the pieces of this right up on my website there. And like I said, if you don't have a demonstrator, I'd be thrilled to be your demonstrator. And or you could join my team. And when you join Stampin' Up, you get $125 worth of product for $99, and you start out immediately with a 20% discount on everything that you order with Stampin' Up. So it's a pretty good deal. In any case, let's see, the prize draw for this month is the Sitting Pretty bundle out of the catalog, a $44 value. It's a stamp set and a die set, and all it takes to get into my drawing is to make an order on my website sometime during the month of June. And we're about halfway through, so there's plenty of time left to get into the drawing. And that's it for me today. I'll be back soon with the projects from this and other cards and projects. Bye!